It's a busy Tuesday afternoon. You're clearing your inbox when an urgent message pops up. Your account will be locked. Verify now. So you click. Almost immediately, something feels off. The corporate logo is slightly stretched, and the web address in the address bar doesn't quite match the official company website. This is the reality of a modern cyber attack. Criminals often focus on exploiting human urgency and the fear of losing account access, rather than trying to bypass complex security software. Clicking a link is a common mistake. However, attempting to hide that mistake is what allows a single click to develop into a critical risk for the entire organization. This video outlines a 6-step containment protocol. Following these specific actions ensures that a potential breach is identified, isolated, and reported before the attacker can do any damage. The protocol begins with an immediate freeze. Step 1. Stop interacting. Literally take your hands off your mouse and keyboard. This physical pause prevents any accidental clicks that might further compromise your system. Your first instinct might be to quickly close a sudden pop-up or click cancel. Resist that urge. Attackers frequently hide malicious download triggers behind buttons labeled X or cancel. While your hands are away from the keys, move to step 2. Do not enter information. Simply landing on a phishing page is rarely the point of failure. The breach occurs when the attacker successfully tricks you into submitting your data through their form. Guard your credentials carefully. Do not type your username, your password, or any multi-factor authentication codes into the suspicious page. Freezing your input halts the attacker's progress. Without your data, the phishing page is just a harmless dead end. The next priority is isolation. Step 3. Disconnect from the network. If a malicious file attempted to install in the background, cutting the connection prevents it from communicating with the hacker or moving laterally to other computers on the office network. If your computer uses a wired connection, reach for the cable now. Find the plastic clip, press it down, and firmly pull the Ethernet cord out of the port to sever the connection immediately. With the machine isolated, you can safely move to step 4. Document the incident. Your IT team needs specific data points for their investigation. Note the exact time you clicked, the sender's email address, the subject line, and the strange URL in the address bar. Since you aren't using the compromised computer, capture these details using offline methods. Take a photo of the screen with your smartphone or write the information down on a physical notepad. This combination of network isolation and offline forensic evidence ensures the threat remains trapped while providing IT with the exact trail they need to neutralize it. Now that the threat is contained, move to step 5. Report immediately. Use a phone to call the IT service desk. Do not use your computer. Provide them with the notes you just took so they can begin the official response. Never forward the suspicious email to a coworker to ask for their opinion. Forwarding the message only delivers the attacker's weapon into more inboxes, increasing the risk of another person clicking. Once you've alerted the experts, you reach the final step. Step 6. Follow official IT instructions. If you are asked to reset your password, do so by manually typing the official company web address into a fresh browser window. You must never use a link provided in an email for this purpose. Handing off the documented details to the security team successfully concludes your role in the containment phase, putting the incident in the hands of professionals. By following this protocol, you've stopped an attack in its tracks, the threat is handled, and the office remains secure. This shield represents the power of the protocol. A single person's quick, honest report provides the security team with the information they need to protect every account and every device across the entire organization. Professional responsibility in a digital workplace means prioritizing the safety of the network over the temporary discomfort of admitting a mistake. When you see something suspicious, remember, stop, don't hide it, report it immediately.